Are you looking for a moisturizer that's effective and hydrating, but it's not going to clog your pores? Well, have you heard of beef tallow? It's like the latest rage. Everyone's talking about it. But there's some important things you want to look for when picking out a tallow product. Number one, you want it to come from cows that are grass-fed. And yes, I said cows because tallow comes from cow fat. It's highly refined, but it's important to look for the grass-fed or grass-finished cows because if you go with the grain-fed ones, the profile is just not appropriate. Anything you put on your body gets into your bloodstream. Always remember that. Another thing to look for is no artificial ingredients, fragrances, dyes. And this is made using organic essential oils. And also the base of this is an organic sweet almond oil. They don't use any olive oils in here. And it has a beautiful scent. This particular one is vanilla latte and it smells so yummy. When you put it on your body, you almost feel like you're putting dessert on your body. It just smells amazing. This is made right here in the USA, small batches, a small company. Whenever there's small batches, you know that there's a lot of quality control going into it. It is highly whipped and aerated. When you look at how beautiful this is and how nicely it goes on the skin, I mean, it's just soft and fluffy like a cloud. And when you put it on, it's super rich and decadent. It goes on and then it just starts absorbing in the skin. It just makes everything soft. So if you're looking for a tallow product, this one checks all the boxes for me. I just love it. It smells great. They'll have all sorts of scents. Definitely check it out.